Hello guys, this is going to be my first video from my journey of learning script, and in my video today I'm going to show how to make a directory, how to change a directory, and how to make a file in a directory, and how do we move this file between directories, and how can we copy them, and eventually how can we remove them from the folder. So without further, let's get right into it. And now I'm in my home directory. In order to make new folders, I will use make dir command, and with this I'm going to create multiple folders which we are going to switch between. Folder 1, folder 2, let's say folder 3. Now they're created, and I want to go in a folder 1 and create a text file in it. With that I have to use cd, which stands for change directory. And now we are in a folder 1, and inside here I want to create a text file, which is done with the touch command. First text. Yep, now we have our text file in here, and with this text file created, now we can move this around, copy it, and eventually we can remove it. And I want to move it first from folder 1 to folder 2. So first text into previous folder, folder 2, previous directory, and folder 2. And now it is moved there. Let's see if it's still here. Nope, it's not here because it's moved from folder 1 to folder 2. So in order to see that, we have to ask it from folder 2. Yep, now it's in a folder 2. And the next command line is copying. How can we copy a folder? How can we copy a file? Excuse me. And now in a folder 2, which has first text command, and now I want to copy this into folder 3. Of course, go back to previous directory and navigate to folder 3. Oh, sorry, I didn't give the text file name yet. I shouldn't forget. Yep, and copy the file that I'm going to copy, and the location that it's going to be copied into, which is folder 3. Does it have it? Folder 2, folder 3. It should have it. Copy first text into cannot state first. Oh, my typo mistake. Here I forget an R. So now it should be able to copy the file into folder 3. Now let's see if it's here. Yes, of course it is, because we just copied it. We didn't move it out of this. And in order to see that, we will ask this file from folder 3. We'll go to the previous directory, and then from there we go to folder 3. Yep, now it is there. It's in folder 2 and it's in folder 3 as well. So now we have successfully copied the file. And last but not least, how do we remove a file from a directory? Now in folder 2 we have first .text file. So I want to remove it with the rm. Then type the file that I want to remove. Bam, that's it. Yep, we don't have it because we removed it from there. And before I end this video, I'm going to clear my screen with the clear command. Now it's clean, and I can do it with other commands as well, which I will mention them in the next videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this watching, watching the journey, and I believe I can come with more interesting videos, because I'm constantly learning and I cannot wait to learn more about Bash script. And for now, enjoy your learning as well, and see you in the next video.